Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're back live with our second pack opening of the first Resurgence Mega Box. Out of the first two packs, we got a couple blue/orange exclusive spark cards, which are about a few bucks raw, and then we got two good inserts of good players, the Henry player and then Gibbs player. But let's see if we can get anything better out of these next two. Let's see, Roma Dunze base. Ooh, Chubba Hubbard base. Damn, dude, this box has started off bad. Xavier Worthy base. Jackson Smith Najigba. This one's, I don't think, numbered, is it? Nope. JJ McCarthy, it don't look numbered, but that's a cool, I think that's another blue and orange. RJ Harvey on the circuit breaker. Tyleek Williams rookie. And then Jadon Blue rookie. Alright, we got another pack. Let's see, Derwin James. Alvin Kamara. Jalen Hurts. Ooh, another Bijan one. Nice, a Bijan Robinson one. Base. McMillan on the Prodonks insert. Rookie. Rookie Ashton Genty. Travion Henderson rookie. And then Cam Scattaboo rookie. So a few good rookies, another insert, and then the rest base, so not that great, but hopefully we end the first mega off with a bang. But I don't know, I'm not liking the mega format, but we'll see. Catch you on the next one.